This video shows how to find email addresses from LinkedIn profile URLs using LinkFinder AI. Click on the first link in the video description, which redirects to linkfinderi.com. Click the Start Free Trial button to create a free account on LinkFinder AI. Select the input data type from options including company name, company domain, email address, and LinkedIn company URL. Choose LinkedIn profile URL as the input data type for your search. Click to select the output data type such as LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Choose email address as the desired output type to retrieve lead emails. Click the field to enter the LinkedIn profile URL for your lead. Enter the lead's LinkedIn profile URL into the input field. Click the Enrich Data button to find the lead's email address from the LinkedIn profile URL. Click on the displayed email address to view the lead's contact information. Click the Upload CSV Bulk button to process multiple LinkedIn profile URLs at once. Click Select File to choose a CSV file containing LinkedIn profile URLs of your leads. Click Process Items to start enriching the uploaded LinkedIn profile URLs with email addresses. Click Process 1 Items again to confirm and continue the enrichment process. Click the Export button to download the enriched data as a CSV file. Click the API Access option to explore programmatic access to LinkFinder AI features. Click View API Docs to review the available API endpoints and usage instructions. Click the B2B Data Lookup section within the API documentation for relevant endpoints. Click the LinkedIn Profile to Email API endpoint to convert LinkedIn URLs to email addresses. Click the example curl command showing how to post a LinkedIn URL and receive an email address.